Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video we will discuss a very important topic of class 11th physics, which is speed of transverse wave. So in this video we are going to calculate the value of speed of transverse wave. The speed of transverse wave depend upon the two factors. The first is here T, which represents the tension, which means the tension in the string. And next it depend upon the mu, which is your linear mass density. So basically the speed depend upon the two factor. First is your tension, another is your linear mass density. What is linear mass density? Linear mass density is the ratio of mass to that of length. Hanji. Just above we see that V depend upon the two factor T and mu. We don't have a knowledge regarding the power that what will the value of T raised to the power and what will the value of mu raised to the power. So we are taking some unknown values, that is your A and B. Here we are putting the dimensional formula of V. V represents the velocity and the dimensional formula will be L raised to the power 1, T raised to the power minus 1. Here you can evaluate the value of T. T is the tension. That means you have to write here the dimensional formula of force, which is m raised to the power 1, L raised to the power 1 and T raised to the power minus 2 raised to the power A. Here we will have m raised to the power 1, L raised to the power minus 1 raised to the power B. So finally we have L की power 1, T raised to the power minus 1. यहाँ पे देखिए E and B इसकी अपर पावर है तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन आ जाएगी m की पावर A, L की पावर B, T की पावर minus 2E. m raised to the power B and L raised to the power minus B. हाँ जी, इसको कोलैबोरेट कर लीजिए, m की पावर्स को एक तरफ, l की पावर्स को एक तरफ एंड t की पावर्स को एक तरफ. वी हैव m raised to the power a plus b, l raised to the power a minus b and t raised to the power minus 2a. हाँ जी, you can equate that value and obtain the value of a and b. After equating, minus 2a will equal to minus 1. We have the value of a comes out to be half. Similarly, we can equate this, a minus b will equal to 1. We have the value of a already we have obtained by this. So half minus b will equal to 1. So b comes out to be minus half. So here we have the value of a and b, t raised to the power half and b raised to the power minus half. So finally we have that velocity which depend upon the tension and linear mass density. That comes out to be under root t by mu. This is the speed of transverse wave. Our next topic of discussion in this video is speed of longitudinal wave. Similarly, the speed of longitudinal wave depend upon the two factors. The speed of longitudinal wave depend upon E, which is modulus of elasticity, directly proportional to rho, which is your density. That means that speed depend upon the two factor modulus of elasticity and the density. We have easily find out the dimensional formula of density. Density is mass per unit volume. So dimensional formula will be m raised to the power 1, L raised to the power minus 3. Time की कोई dependency नहीं है तो t की power 0. Now what will be the dimensional formula of modulus of elasticity? What do you mean by modulus of elasticity? Elasticity, it is the ratio of stress to strain. हाँ जी, stress is directly proportional to strain, that is given by Hooke's, termed as Hooke's law. So when you remove that proportionality sign, you have that modulus of elasticity. So E have the dimensional formula of modulus of elasticity. हाँ जी बच्चे देखिए, so basically E is the ratio of stress to strain. Strain is a dimensionless quantity. What will be stress? Stress is pressure, which is force per unit area. M की power 1, L raised to the power 1 and T raised to the power minus 2 is the formula of force, dimensional formula of force, and L raised to the power 2 is the dimensional formula of area. So finally we have that M raised to the power 1, L raised to the power minus 1 and T की power minus 2 is the dimensional formula of pressure, or we can say the dimensional formula of E, elasticity. On putting these value, the dimensional formula of velocity is L की power 1, T raised to the minus 1. The dimensional formula of modulus of elasticity is m raised to the power 1, L raised to the power minus 1 and T raised to the power minus 2, the whole power A. Here we have m की power 1, L raised to the minus T, the whole power B. So finally we have, when we can equate it this equations like, we can combine powers A, powers B. Let's see. यहाँ पे हमने क्या लिखा है, m raised to the power 0, L raised to the power t1, T raised to the minus 1. Here we have m की power a plus b, L raised to the power minus a minus 3b, T raised to the power minus 2a. हाँ जी, कंपेयर करिए, minus 2a will equal to minus 1. So here we have the value of a comes out to be half. हाँ जी, a plus b will equal to 0. So here we have the value of b comes out to be minus half. So finally you have the value of a and b. हाँ जी, e रेस टू दी पावर जनरली ये हमने किसकी डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला लिया था, e मॉडुलस ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी का कितनी पावर आ गई a विच विल इक्वल टू हाफ अनदर, ये किसकी पावर है, डेंसिटी की पावर कितनी है माइनस हाफ, तो दिस फॉर्मूला विल बी v विल इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ e बाय रो। अगर आप ऐसे ही फ्लूइड का केस लेते हैं तो यहाँ मॉडुलस ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी कीजिएगा क्या आ जाएगा, बल्क मॉडुलस। अगर आप सॉलिड का केस लेंगे बेटा तो हियर यू विल हैव Young's modulus. So finally you have all the values of velocity. V will equal to under root E by rho, V will equal to under root B by rho, and B will equal to under root y by में rho. Y represents the Young's modulus.